Hey guys, how you doing? It's your buddy Uncle Bruce. I am back for the final hour or so, the final hour of the day. Today's Monday, April the 18th. Hey guys, how you doing? Every time I start talking, I cough because I haven't talked for like an hour. And I get things going, and then I start coughing. It's crazy. Anyway, welcome to Monday, April the 18th. It's Easter Monday. It's a slow day today. Europe is closed today, so we're not going to see too terribly much, I don't think. Not too much activity, but we're back, and we're noticing that the Dow is up 34 points. I've got the S&P up 5.6, and NASDAQ is up 9. Oil up $1 a barrel or so. And over on Gamestop right now, 140.55. We're still down 10.22, and we even touched 137.24 while I was away. Interesting. What else is going on? Twitter is up 289. $47.97. The street's getting more optimistic about maybe something better happening with this stock. Cyxtera down 1 penny. We got Rocket Lab at 803 down 39. We have SoFi at 720 down 6 cents. It's trying to come back again. GameStop, like I said, 140.54 down 10.18 right now. Volume on GameStop today, 2 million shares on the day. AMC 17.55. Down 47 cents on AMC. Matterport is at $6.66, down 28 cents. We've got 23andMe at 332 and a half. It's down 28 cents. 332 and a half down 23 cents. That's 23andMe. Matterport was down 28. Spire down 11 and a half, 176. Hycroft Mining down 15 to 185. ATIP Physical Therapy 175 down 5.5. Smart Rent down a nickel at 504. Pfizer down 126 to 51.86. Hewlett Packard is at 38.42, up 95 cents today. Robinhood is back over 11.04, down 35 cents. Vanek Vectors is up 4.37. Home Depot is down 3.54. IBM is down 26 cents. Microsoft is up 46 cents, 280.29. Apple down 24 cents. Goldman Sachs up 9.74 to 331.38. Nice little bump up again today. It's nice to see. We were at 308 a week and a half ago for the low. Cisco now 51.24, up 8 cents. Facebook is up 73 cents. Amazon is up 23 bucks. Tesla up $24 to 1,009. Google up 9.94 to 25.55. Bed Bath Beyond down 38 cents. BlackBerry down 16. Royal Caribbean down 95 today at 81.63. Over at Target, they're up 250. JP Morgan up 250. Costco down 663. Walmart down 79 cents. Nvidia up 557. Over at American Airlines down 38 cents. We've got Moderna down 860 right now on this market. And the Dow up 12 points. We've been up today. We've been down today. We've been all around, but we're not going anywhere really. It doesn't look like it. We're up only 2 points on the S&P, down 4 on NASDAQ. It's a mixed bag. There's no definitive trend today as we sort of are treading water for tomorrow's opening when we can react to how things are going in Europe and so on. All right, there it is. That's the dealio. What else is going on here? Lame Duck was saying hi and becoming thumbs up number 3, which is great. And well, there you go. Hector, good afternoon. Number 5. Agent Soon, Argent Soon, the Chinese company dumped its AMC a year or two ago. It did. They did. Tim West, I don't think Tim's much of a fan. Tim is saying that laugh a lot at all of you come on here to listen to an old man chew a bagel in your ear and charge you $24 a month. See, now, Tim, you've got a couple of, you're missing a couple of points. You're off a little. You're close, but you're not quite accurate. I don't charge anybody anything. People donate to this channel if they want to. Obviously, you don't because you're not a fan. And some folks are donating $9.99 a month to become Chillin' with Uncle Bruce members. And then the premier members of this channel, these guys over here, the Gold Bagel members, that family there, they donate $24.99, not $24. It's $24.99. They donate even more than you think they do to be the top end of this channel. But for that, they get an alert every morning before I even start my live show So they get roughly 20 of those a month. And then on Wednesday nights, they get their own show, 8 o'clock Eastern time, hang out with Uncle Bruce for Gold Bagel members only. So that's 4 of those. That's 24 features right there. Those are worth $1 a piece. So 99 cents for everything else. It's not a bad deal. But hey, Tim, it's okay. You're welcome to hang out here for free as you are, and hang out and just whatever. Now I don't chew people's ears off with bagels. Today I had rye bread, so it's not always bagels. But Tim, it is what it is. For a guy who's not a member, you seem to know an awful lot about the show and the channel. And I thank you for your loyalty and being one of my probably most ardent fans. Although you probably are not admitting it to anybody. That's okay. It's all good. We're fine. It's all right. Anyway, Aurora's here. FX is here. Bobby's here. How you doing, guys? I enjoy Gilbert except for his political views. He should leave that out. See, but he can tell us what's going on, but don't tell us anything about politics, because politics doesn't affect business. Well, it does affect business. But anyway, Zach is number 8. Thanks, buddy. Adventures Duncan. Good afternoon, Zach. How's your Easter with the family? And it was a beautiful, quiet day, Zach saying. Welcome, guys. Duncan, great. Everything works out for a reason. Bobby Atkinson, Alex, company's declaring Chapter 11 red today. That's true. That's true. Who else is here? Nicholas is number 12. Thanks, Nicholas, for giving us a thumbs up and hitting that button there for me. I appreciate it. Zach was just saying, I was just watching the morning show replay, and Jen's rant about LGBTQ kids was amazing. Yeah, don't get Jen angry. Don't get her riled up. Yeah, DQ number 22, Liz number 24, Dave is thumbs up 25. You guys are awesome. Thank you for hitting that thumbs up. Let me know what number you are. It kind of gives me a running tally. I really do appreciate it. It is fabulous, guys. And Tim donates his time to your channel, though, making that algorithm rock. And so thank you, Tim, for being a loyal follower of this channel and our content. Every second you spend here just adds to the validity of the channel to tell others to come by and join, become part of the party. And we're glad you're here. Bradley, hey, people, hope everyone's doing okay. Lovely to be off work today, putting my feet up. Payday Thursday, SoFi gods, please stay down here in the 7s. Hi there, Cindy. You're number 41. Thank you. I appreciate it. Robert is here at number 42. Jennifer is here at number 43. Look at those thumbs ups coming in. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Vilbus is saying, that Twitter keeps messing with me. I wrote a covered call earlier today. It runs up. I buy it back at almost 48, so I can either sell or roll into a new covered call. But here's its peaks, and now I write a new one, and then it goes up again. So you gotta just take your position and leave it alone. Maybe that's what you gotta do. I don't know. It's kind of a relaxing kind of day, says Duncan. It is kind of a relaxing kind of day. We really don't have a lot happening. We're up 333 on the Twitter now to 48:21, 48:41, 38, 48, 38, whatever. Thank you. Vilbus, I'm number 57, buddy. I'm here for you. Thank you. And Alberto is here. Thank you, buddy. LL is here, number 60. Thank you. Duncan was number 18 earlier on the show. You guys are awesome. Sextera up 2 cents to 13.19. We're just not seeing much of anything here. 7.15 on SoFi. We couldn't break even again. Couldn't get over it. Stay over it. Gamestop now 140.54 down 10.23 at the moment. And Paul Rodriguez, hey, Uncle Bruce, how you doing? Welcome, Paul. Nice to see you guys here. Thank you, all of you. We now have 66 thumbs uppers going on this channel, and I appreciate that. Cheers to all of you from around the world. Nice to have that little thumbs up head start. Tell me, what temperature is it where you are? Tell me where you're watching me from. Tell me the name of your city or country. What's your temperature today? Here in Calgary, in what we refer to as Cowtown, here in Cowtown, we are at 46 degrees, heading for 48 today. That is our high of the day, 48 in the next hour. We'll be there for several hours. Tomorrow, we're going to cool down to 43 for the high with an 80% chance of snow flurries. But on Wednesday, mainly sunny, only 39. And then Thursday, Friday, 40% chance of snow both days. 43 and 46. That means the snow will fall and it will immediately melt. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, sunny weather, 48, 52, and 55 degrees. Next Tuesday, 55. So looking forward to that. Jen and I are heading to London in about 3.5 weeks. And it is right now in London. This is 8 o'clock at night, 61. Tomorrow's high, 63, Wednesday, 64. I mean, this is great weather already. We're not even in London for another 3 weeks. So I'm looking forward to this May, June weather that we're going to experience over there. Very, very eager for that. And then we're going to head to Amsterdam. And we're looking forward to the wonderful people of Amsterdam, the fun that we should have there. And then we're headed to, we might do a little Germany traveling, and then we're going to head to Switzerland. And we're going to do a bit of a tour around Switzerland. And we're kind of looking forward to that. And that is June, July for us. And that's obviously the best time of the year for weather. So we're kind of looking forward to all of that. Should be fun. 71 thumbs ups and counting. Thank you guys. Hit that thumbs up button for me. That would be great. All right. Well, let's see who's here and where are you? What's your temperature? Paul, not much happening. That's true. Let's see what else is going on here. Beach Boy, I'm number 67. Right on, buddy. 36 in Pittsburgh, PA, says DQ. Hey, buddy, welcome. Thanks, as always, for being here. Cindy, 33 in snowy, where she is. Seattle, 43 for 99 Nation videos. Converti, it's 37 in Maryland. Liz, ooh, I don't speak Fahrenheit. Doesn't matter. It can be Celsius or Fahrenheit. I don't care what it is. Leaving Columbia in a week. Looking forward to visiting family, says Paul. Wow, that'll be nice. Zach, 61 and sunny in the beautiful San Francisco Bay Area, East Bay. Cindy B, 33 and snowing in Michigan. Laughing out loud. Hockey rink, 7 Celsius, and I'm waving to you across your back fence. Dude, what's going on? Splair, hope you had a relaxed day. I was on a medieval market. Liz, it's real sunny around Amsterdam right now. Credit Savage. Good afternoon, folks. Just got 100 more shares of SoFi at $6.99 and loving the the Twitter running since I kept my shares. This is a good afternoon indeed. Beach Boy, 19 Celsius, 67 Fahrenheit. A warm evening in Israel right now. Paul, South America is beautiful. You'll have to visit. Zach, glad to be here for Bruce and Jen's endless summer tour. Bama Babe, Goldman Sachs, up, and away. That's right. Goldman has had an okay kind of day today. It's now 332, up 1040. Alberto, down in Binghamton, New York, 47 right now. Bradley, I'm in Plymouth, UK, and it's been really nice weather and picking up in the UK. Splair, Bruce, the Amsterdam journey, will it be at the last Saturday still? And by the way, in Velbear at the beginning of June is a medieval market. Interesting experience musically with setting and food. We'll know the dates by the end of the week. We'll know pretty well where we're going to be, when we're going to be. We're zeroing in now on our dates, so I will try to announce potential meet and greets and all that. So stay tuned. Paul, sunny at 75 in California. Oh, man, that's nice. Adventures with Duncan. Why should I be looking at the past month, Zach? Paul, Southern California is where he is. Let's see. Sunny and nice in Las Vegas. Bill was 36 and windy with flurries in the Twin Cities today. Spring is delinquent. We know that around here. It's not hot here. It isn't above normal here. It's quite normal here. 17-point drop on the Dow so far. Being registered, 2 points down on S&P and 19 on NASDAQ. Nancy, I am your number 41 thumbs ups. Thank you, Nancy, for that. A GameStop right now, 140.07. We're threatening the 140 level again. We got down to 137.24. Between 12 and 130, somewhere in that range. We were down in the high 130s there for a while. Splair, that sounds good because I want to book early, cheap ICE Intercity Express tickets. Duncan, Berto, you at Bed Bath? I don't know what that means. Jen Doe, I'm number 82 for your thumbs ups meter, Bruce. Thank you, Jen, for nailing that thumbs up button. I really appreciate that. That is good stuff. We now have 84 thumbs ups and counting and climbing, and that is absolutely fabulous. The day today, again, started off this morning with a lot of concern about the bond market. We had quite a bit of talk this morning that interest rates were pushing higher, but the only interest rates we can really what's change at the moment are pretty well just the U.S. rate. The Japanese rate did fluctuate a little bit, but it's the U.S. 10-year that everyone's watching and usually does, 2.85% for that one. Not much in the way of change there. European bond markets are all closed off. As far as foreign currency and exchange rates go, the euro is under 108 now to 107.84. This currency was closer to 110 not too long ago, a couple of months ago. So Europe's getting cheaper for North Americans to go visit. The British pound is flirting with the 130 barrier. It's 1.3007. So it's 7/100ths of a penny above $1.30 to the US dollar. So the British pound looks like it's going to break the 130 barrier, but I don't know if it'll have much of a break below that. Whereas the euros might reach 106, 105 as time goes by, because the European Central Bank is not interested at this time in raising rates. They want to keep their interest rates where they are, which are essentially at zero. They want to encourage lending at very low rates. They want mortgages out. They want car loans out. They want whatever kind of loans, business loans. And the reasoning is that Europe has been in technically a recession now for at least 6 months, where the economies are just not expanding very much. And so they're perceived to be in a bit of a slump. And with the Ukraine thing going on and higher oil, higher natural gas, and higher commodity prices, it's getting harder for Europeans, just like us, with higher inflation rates and also supply chain problems. The last thing the European Central Bank wants to do is raise rates and cause business to back off with economic activity. That is the worst case scenario, because if you raise rates and you crash the market even more, the economic activity even more, you're even longer for a recovery. The recovery's longer now. So Europe wants to play the game of let's encourage the economy to stay active, give people a chance to buy homes and condos and assets for very low interest rates. Keeping Europeans employed more than less. In other words, try to create jobs. And when the economy improves enough, when we get enough heat under the economy, then we'll put the rate thing in. We'll raise rates a little bit to kind of tap the brakes a bit. But right now, we don't need to tap the brakes. We're slow as it is. And inflation be damned right now. We have to live with inflation. But it's not necessarily going to be that European companies are going to be inflation creators, because European companies are not raising prices because they're greedy. They're only raising prices because they've had prices raised at them from transportation costs, higher fuel, and so on. So that's kind of what's going on here at the moment. Okay. What else is going on here? Karim is saying, hey, the bagel eating and the crunch noise? That's the highlight of the show, Come on, Tim, get with the program, buddy. You're just not with the program. There you go. We're doing the best we can. What else is going on here? Sell my house in Upper Marlborough. Thumbs up. 85. Thank you, man. Credit Savage. I want to be number 100. I'm waiting for number 99 to show up. Vernon, I'm about number 38 near Bay Ridges, sitting here at 47 degrees in beautiful Bay Ridges, Ontario. Right on. Let's see. Bobby, I live in, what was it? Live in 5 minutes was 5 minutes ago. Tim is smiling now. There you go. Oh, gosh. Oh, how do I move up, Bruce? How do I go up from a regular membership to the Gold Bagel membership? How do I get to that elite status level that differentiates me among all the other YouTubers out there? Of the billion YouTubers, how do I become one of the handful of absolute premium Gold Bagel family members? Tell me what to do. And I think what you have to do, I think what it is you go to your YouTube thing up here. There's probably a YouTube, I don't know. Or maybe over here. There's probably a little menu over here. Way over here on the end of your screen. There's probably a YouTube menu of some kind. that might give you the opportunity to change your settings or something. It might even be, there might be like a little avatar of yourself right up there, and you click on that, and it'll say your channel, purchases and memberships, YouTube Studio. Searching out under you purchases and memberships, you might want to click on that, and that might show you a way that it'll show you what your memberships are, and then you can take a look at the membership you have with me, and then it might give you an option where you can upgrade to the Gold Bagel membership. I think that's it. Unless someone else here knows a better way to tell them how to do it. I don't know. Options, Nomads, number 88. They're here. Welcome, you guys. Nice to see you here. Double D is number 89. And nice to have you here as well. Yeah, Bobby is saying in the renewal membership options, Dylan Vaughn, if I remember correctly, there are two options now for the Uncle Bruce channel. Is Bruce on the travel channel? Will be tonight. I'll be there. Now, it's a 63 freezing degrees in San Francisco today, says Creative Savage. I love watching winters on the East Coast from my TV here in California. And there you go. Let's see. Splair, you know, it's very useful to see the extra show. And if you can't join it, you watch it while Bruce is making small talk at the beginning of the first chilling show and join before the market opens. There you go. 99 Nation. I didn't eat breakfast in the mornings, but now I find myself channeling Jen, pretend I'm French and fix up fancy bagels so I'm not left out of the crunchy good time you're having. Yeah. Nick is the man from Blythe, California, with his own roadway inn. If you're going to ever travel to Arizona or back, you're going to stop in Blythe, why don't you hang up at Nick's place? He's got a hotel there. He's got a pool. He got a great little spot there. He's number 93. Nick, we love you. Keep her going, buddy. Duncan, also number 008. There you go. Zach, the credit savage. It's how we watch snowfall around here on TV. We watch it on TV, you know. That's how we watch snowfall. Credit savage. Go to your picture and click on it. That's that avatar. Hit memberships and renewals. Hit membership, then upgrade. It'll ask you if you want to pay 25, and boom, you're in. There you go. You're good to go. Fabulous. And hey, if you're able to upgrade, it might even notify us on the air that you've done it. Fantastic. Thank you, all of you guys who are becoming either members of this channel at the chilling level or whether you're becoming Gold Bagel family members right up here. We love you. And it definitely keeps me going. There's no doubt about that. Nick, I am renovating right now, replacing old carpet with vinyl flooring. Right on, buddy. Bobby, it protects this month. It prorates the month as well. That's right. So if you got 2 weeks to go on your current membership before your next payment date is due, you upgrade now, you'll only be charged half the month, and then the beginning of the next billing cycle, it'll go through the full month. It's pretty smart. YouTube handles it. I don't operate the channel membership stuff. I don't handle the money. I don't handle any of the membership. This is a YouTube thing where I've been invited to allow memberships into my channel by YouTube. YouTube does all the work for handling all this. And they take 30% of the money. I get the rest. And it just is nice to know from Jennifer and my end, we just are so happy to know that there are a certain number of you folks that are members of the channel, and we can just go, okay, well, the bills are paid. That's good to know. Now, I can just concentrate on what I got to concentrate on, and whatever ad money comes in is additional. It's not much, whatever. Let's see. Nick, please stay here for 2 years or more so I can sure get your hotel with my first USA tour. Credit Savage, boom, boom, 100 thumbs up, baby. I got the little fireworks and everything. Yay. Fabulous, man. Thank you for the 100 thumbs ups right there. We're now 102. Oh, man, that deserves fireworks all on its own. I mean, that just right there, we deserve a fireworks show. Let's see what happens here. Maybe this one right here. That's not too bad, is it? Hey, Zach, thanks. I got to get going, hit the road, catch the rest of the show and replay later. Have a great rest of the money. Don't forget to pay your taxes on USA. Thanks for everything, Uncle Bruce. You got it, man. Beach Boy to Timmy. I just finished slurping a bowl of soup while watching Uncle Bruce here and waiting on GameStop to dip to 137 under. Having fun while learning options of making money. Ho, ho, ho. There you go. And Easter fireworks. There you go. There you go. Neat, 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 says Blair. Oh, man. GameStop, 140.72. That's where we're at right now. 140.72. We're down 66 on the Dow. Make that 73 now in the Dow. We got 34 minutes to go, and the day will be done today. Twitter now $48, up $2.92. Rocket Lab $7.99. SoFi $7.16, down a dime at the moment. We're down 6 on S&P. We're down 30 on NASDAQ. Okay, a bunch of you guys take your thumbs away. Count to 10, then add it back in. We'll get more fireworks that way. There you go. There's a man who's looking for fireworks. Oh, man. Matterport 659, ME 331, Spire 175. Man, oh, man. ATIP 174 at SmartRent 498. So frustrating to see these low prices on these great companies that I think are going to have a great future. But, you know, we gotta just deal what we're dealing with here. Today's a quiet day, though. This is going to be a nothing burger day, I'm afraid. Nice. You should play those fireworks videos whenever we're having a great day in the stock market or an exceptionally bad day, I guess. It would cheer us up. It's been a great day, says Option Nomads, for taking profits on Pfizer covered calls. Takes the sting out of the tax bill. But as my mother-in-law says, if you're paying taxes, it means you made money. That's right. That's right. Okay, so Nakrim says, so tell me, is it neat, net, or is it's neat? No, it's NIE. 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 You gotta watch the Monty Python Life with Brian. You'll see the whole thing happen there. Cindy Spire had jumped over 5% after hours on Thursday. I thought for sure something exciting happened. There's not much going on. Hi, Cindy from Duncan. DQ, hiya, Duncan. Yeah, you know, it's frustrating. Sometimes these stocks move in the aftermarket, but other times you got to look at the volume on these aftermarkets. You might see like 60 shares trade up 20 cents. That's all just pretend, fake, not real. You gotta see like 20, 30, 40,000 shares of volume to really make any kind of serious judgment that something might be going on. It's trading at 1,000 shares or less. Nothing's going on. I don't think so. Anyway, yeah, what can I say? Alrighty. Anyway, we're down 74 on the Dow now, 7.3 on S&P, and 32.5 and NASDAQ. Oil up 91 cents. There's just nothing really going. Apparently, natural gas prices mark another finish at a 14-year high price. The thing about natural gas in North America, we are drowning in it. And the world itself is drowning in natural gas. We have tons of it. It's just that it's not in the exact place that everybody needs it at. But in North America, we have got so much gas, we flare it off. Although something tells me that flaring has really been cut back with these record prices. Problem is to liquidate it, put it into a liquid form, and transport it can be costly. So you have to try to move it as best you can. And like I say, the best oil fields are the ones that have refineries not too far away, because then they can pull it out of the ground and immediately pump it into a refinery, and away you go. But there are those wells out in the middle of nowhere that produce, you know, a good bunch of oil and a whole bunch of natural gas. And the problem is that the gas isn't needed. Sometimes the gas is flared off. Sometimes the gas is literally pumped back down into another part of the field just to get the oil only. And they'll push the gas down, among other chemicals, to get oil to come up faster. There's all kinds of tricks to get fields to work and pay. All kinds of stuff. BW saying, fun times. Every former SPAC now under 8 would like to continue to DCA, but all out of cash and ammo for the former in the money calls that all continue to expire. Worthless. Free thinker. He used to do fireworks shows to sneak a quick poo in bought 100 BBY shares and 2 BBY generate calls with $22 strike. I'm coming with you, Ryan Cohen. No, I never did that for pooing. I never poo on the air. No. I'm having my coffee now, says Duncan. No, I wouldn't do that. I have on occasion had a real sneeze attack, so I would run the fireworks for a bit and blow my schnoz, but just to save you that show. I mean, we try to be classy here, we try not to be too raw, I mean, I'm not here to try to gross you out. That's not what I want to be doing. That's not my style, man. That's not what I'm about. Where are we at now? We got 30 minutes to go. 30 minutes to go, and we're down 103 on the Dow. We were just down 140, or were we? I'm not even sure. We're just jumping around right now. Down 12 on S&P. We're down 47 on the Nasdaq right now. 103-point drop on the Dow. SoFi 714. GameStop 139.98. We've broken under the 140 level again. 139.98 right now on GameStop. Okay, let's go here. GameStop, April 29, 150 for 650. Let's go. Nick, Uncle Bruce Twitter looks juicy. I'm going to short it. Oh, yeah, I don't. Well, okay. Just keep that hand on it. Snooze berries with Uncle Bruce. Hey, I didn't make the holidays. I'm just in them. What can I say? I'm in a holiday with you. And free thinker Nick, bold move to put it lightly. Credit Savage, hey, Uncle B. So I started a position on Roblox today. I think between Matterport and Roblox, I got the metaverse covered. I'm calling it RBLX will be a favorite stock in the future. Well, we'll see what happens. Nick asks, if I can make $1, that'll be 1,000 for me. Well, if it goes down $1, right on, buddy. Rock and roll. Well, if the market wants to continue to back off here in the last hour, that'll help your mo, definitely. Plus the fact that the stock is up 290 right now. At 48, it was up $3. So, it's had a bit of a pop. Can it give up a little of that gain? Sure it can. And that's what he's looking at. So sure, he's on top of it. He's right on the money. Anyway, if it's such a boring holiday, then why am I at work? What the hey the what? Yeah, well, you got Friday off, but you can get Monday off. You got the wrong employer. If you were self-employed, you'd be in control of your life, but obviously you decided to work for the man. Am I giving you a hard time? Sorry. 140.22 on GameStop. A little bounce back over 140. Just a not a lot of greatness happening here. We're down 112 on the Dow, 110, 112, and we're down 13 on S&P. We're down 55 on Nasdaq. Oil up 90 cents. So, yeah, what are we gonna do? I don't know. All right, what else is going on? Who knows why Elon made the offer? Who knows why? Maybe it was just to expose the BOD and the banks. The BOD and the banks. The BOD. Weird that he can't just buy however many shares he wants. He could keep buying. He could keep buying stock. He could have kept on buying. He could have said that I'm just buying for investment purposes, and he could have kept on buying up to 20% or whatever. He could have done that. He could have. What he can do also is he can, anytime he wants, put in a tender offer and do something like I'm prepared to pay $50 a share for anyone that wants to sell me stock. I'm looking for 50 million shares. And you can just put a bid out there, and you could just call your broker and say, I want to sell to Elon. I want to sell at 50. Because if the stock's under 50 in the open market, you'll sell to Elon. As soon as he gets his stock, the deal is over, and then he'll add it to his holdings. And he can come up with another tender offer down the road and make it open to anybody anytime they want. It's up to him how he ever wants to play it. I mean, he didn't have to do what he did, but I don't know. What else is happening here? Credit ever. Someone put in a counter offer to Elon, says willing to pay 60 share. I smell the tug of war. I don't even know about shorting it. It'll be saying colored calls. Coyote, most Americans get 0 hours off for Easter since it's always on a Sunday. Never personally known a U.S. business who gave off the Friday before or the Monday after. You're just in the wrong country. Is it worth the hassle to write covered calls on this type of red market down portfolio or just buy the stock? Depends on the price of the stock and what your upside potential you think it is. Board of directors. Maybe that's what that means. Okay. Board of directors, dumb directors. Let's see. Love the theories about Elon and GameStop on super stock. Laugh out loud. Hope it's true. Credit Savage. So I was having a beer with Elon, right? And he told me that he put in an offer for Twitter because it was a Tuesday and he was bored. Well, there we go. Don't forget about Nick. Don't forget me, Nick. Okay, free thinker. If they had the best interest of the shareholders at heart, it's an obvious deal. They don't, and their reluctance to make the deal proves it. But again, it's early. There's no law saying that the board of directors has to accept anyone's offer the minute an offer is made just because it's higher than the stock price. That's not how this works. It could well be that the board of directors would be very happy to have a buyer take them over, but maybe they feel that if Elon is prepared to pay $54.20, maybe someone else will be prepared to pay $64.20. And why don't we give that person a chance? Let's wait a little while. And or they're making a few phone calls to find out if anyone is interested in anything. Who knows? I don't know. Hey, Bagel Gang, today was a good day to buy back GameStop covered calls. Bought back 160 expiring this Friday for $1.72 and $160 next Fridays at $2.61. Sold both above $10, maybe tomorrow. I might just write again. There you go. You might just get a pop tomorrow. And you'll write them all over again and say, thank you, may I have another? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. May I have another? $139.99 on GameStop right now. How about that? 155 is the down tick on the Dow index right now. Dow Jones down 157.42. Running into more selling. We're down to 23 minutes to go in the day. And we got S&P down 17.8, and we have NASDAQ down 71.4 now. So the three indexes are decidedly in the red. Splatter, I wait for the top, and then I take a sell position with 2-time, or when I'm completely sure with a hard drop, I take a 5-time seller. But actually, I don't think it's the top of 200. Duncan, early dinner. Liz, we have national holidays like 2nd Eastern Day, 2nd Christmas Day, 2nd Pentecost Day. There you go. I'm not sure about Canada. I'm not sure how it worked here. I think we would get the Friday off, maybe come in Mondays. Some of us would take Mondays off as well. Yeah, it all depended on the job you had. If you were in retail, you would be closed Friday, Good Friday, but we'd be open on the Monday. Yeah, it depended on the shopping mall too. AZ, why, hello, everybody. If you guys haven't seen Elon's TED Talk, he did last week as yet, you should check it out as he talks about why he made the Twitter offer and the Tesla shorting that occurred recently. There you go. Always interesting, Mr. Musk, I'm sure. We're down 161, almost 162 on the Dow now. Twitter's up 271, but everything else I'm looking at is in the red. GameStop 140.46. I got Hewlett Packard up 87 cents. That's a green one. Vanik is still up 323. Goldman Sachs still up 730. Was up $10 10 minutes ago. Amazon is up 269. Tesla's up $15. So much red everywhere else. Just a lot of red. Not a lot to get excited about today. The market, like I say, was trending reddish in the morning. It seems anyway. Am I the only one that finds it really hard to listen to Elon talk about anything? Is it just me? That's what Vilbus is asking here. Yeah, well, Elon is Elon. What are you gonna do? Right? Okay. Can I say? We now have 115 thumbs ups for this show. I want to thank all of you guys for coming out here today already and hitting that thumbs up button. I do appreciate it. We do love it when we get some momentum going. We have 200 of you here. Appreciate that too. Nice to have you to see us. He bought stock. He didn't disclose and popped an announcement. It's textbook manipulation and it's illegal. There you go. Of course, he has so many days with which to report a position once you break a certain percentage. And he probably had his lawyer do it. And hey, if the SEC doesn't charge him, then they are okay with it, I guess. Anyway, that's all I can tell you. 140.73, 140.69 on GameStop, just above the 140 level today. Okay. Yeah, Elon Musk says, I do what I want. Oh, God. Oh, pardon me. I'm just dying here. 99 Nation Videos. SEC is asleep over everything. There you go. There you go. There's a comment for you. Take that to the bank. Absolutely. Yeah, we started off with worrying about interest rates. We were worried about currencies. We were wondering about the Russia factor. We thought we might have to worry about oil today, but we didn't. It didn't do much today. Europe stayed asleep, so nothing to worry about there. So now tomorrow we're going to see how Asia and Europe react before we open up tomorrow, and see if the Europeans are as concerned as we are about the economy. We should be getting earnings this week for more companies. They'll be coming out. We'll watch for those. Next week will be Apple earnings. That will be interesting. We'll really watch that. We just haven't heard a lot of news about the China thing. We're just not getting accurate, detailed information about just what's happening in China. It is there have been reports coming out that shows pretty bad. Apparently, a judge throws out the U.S. mask mandate for public transit. It's a federal judge invalidated a regulation that required travelers in the U.S. to wear masks on airplanes, trains, taxis, buses, and other forms of public transportation, saying the mandate exceeded the authority of the CDC, apparently. Well, see how that all plays out. What else is going on? The CEO of Rivian warns of looming EV battery shortages. Okay, interesting. Hot economy, rising inflation. The Fed has never successfully fixed a problem like this, headline says. Yeah. What else is going on here? Yeah, not much else there. I'm just looking for headlines that I can pass on to you. China's economy grew at 4.8% in the first quarter, beating expectations. You know, they need 6 to 8% to keep unemployment down, I think. I don't know. Not much else in the way of headlines there. That's really about it. Okay, Lame Duck is saying, so I'm a little confused on getting exercised. My 144 GameStop got exercised. So if I rolled over to the following week, are you saying I won't be? I wouldn't have been exercised even if I'd been still in the money at 144. Okay, so there's no guarantee. Let me kind of clarify this for everybody. No matter what option you write on whatever stock you write it on, you never know if you're going to be exercised and when. And sometimes it makes no sense whatsoever to be exercised, but you get exercised anywhere or assigned. So if you're writing right now a 140 GameStop call option, good for a week or two or three, and you get $6, $8, $10 for it, let's say a few weeks out, you get $10, and you immediately get exercised tomorrow, you're a happy camper because the stock's at 140. You just got paid 140, and you get to keep the $10 premium you already got. So in effect, you wrote a call option today for a 140 exercise price, good for a few weeks. You get exercise tomorrow morning. Here's $150 a share in your account tomorrow morning from the $10 premium and the $140 strike price. In other words, you just turn around and buy your stock back for 140 and write another 140 and bring in 10 all over again. Let's play this game all day long, you say. So lame duck, it doesn't matter what the expiry of the option is. Doesn't matter what the strike price is, whether it's out of the money, at the money, or in the money, makes no difference. You can be exercised at any time on an option you write. You never know. Now, the odds are typical way it works is most of the time, and I mean a very, very huge percentage of the time, you can write a call option even if it's in the money, and you won't be exercised until the last day it lives. That's usually how that works. In the money options get exercised at the end of the day on the last day the option is alive. Generally speaking, however, you might write 10 calls that are good for 3 months from now, and you may find that every week for 10 weeks in a row, one of your options gets only one of them at a time gets assigned. That can happen too. They can all get assigned. 3 of them can get assigned, 2 of them, 7 of them. You never know. You have to be prepared to be assigned. So there you go. Anyway, lame duck. I bought back at 141 average, so it's all good. I'm your daddy. If you are in the money, you can be exercised at any time. There you go. Yep, quite frankly, be exercised any time. 420 is my day off. There you go. All right, 140.39 is the GameStop price. We have 13 minutes left to go in the day, and then we're done for the day. Done for Monday, and it's been a quiet one. Although we are down 158 on the Dow, but it's not a catastrophic loss or anything like that. We're down 20 on S&P. We're down 83 on NASDAQ. Just not a lot going on. I think I'll be off. I'm going to get off early, so Square. Have a good night, you guys. Square, you take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Definitely tomorrow. We'll see what's going on. 4809 on the Twitter, up 301 today. That's okay. 151 down dip on the Dow. GameStop 140.26 kind of wants to hang around here, doesn't it? Wants to hang around 140 tonight. See how that plays out. We're down to 12 minutes to go, and we're done on this day. I'll be on again tonight, by the way, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock Eastern time on Traveling with Bruce, my TWB channel, the big travel channel. So you want to join me over there, see you at 8 o'clock Eastern for any of you can join for free and hang out, talk travel, talk cruise ships, see what's going on. I agree with that. My GameStop April 14 100 got exercised last Monday. Didn't make any sense why not wait, since at the time it was low, but that was the name of the game sometimes. True. Will tomorrow be better? Right? Won't it? Right. A free thinker. You can be exercised out of the money. It's called Chad exercising. And is celebrated among degenerates on Reddit. I hope it happens to every GameStop cover call writing, but that's admittedly overly optimistic. Okay, there you go. Oh, God. Gosh. Oh, boy. Poor Bruce. I thought I had enough sleep this past week, and I really did. I had 3 days off. I thought I got a lot of sleep. Maybe I didn't get enough. I don't know. What can I say? Are you doing the TWB tonight? I am. Spirit, thanks, Bruce. I guess tomorrow will be more interesting. But for today, a cola with a green lime is the way to go. There you go, right there. That might be it. Scott, the wet brewer, haven't popped in for a while. On slow days like this, it's a great chance to drink water, eat veggies, and take a walk. There you go, buddy. AZ. Well, at least I had the money for my tax bill today. Way to go. There you go. Right on, man. Get that all done. Thanks again for these thumbs ups. 127 thumbs ups from you guys. Thank you guys for coming to the table for me. I really appreciate it. About 200 of you here. Love getting those thumbs ups today. I do appreciate it. $140.18 on GameStop. We're down $10.59 a share. And we got 10 minutes left in our trading day. And then we're done for the day today. Coming through here with about a 150 or so point loss, approximately. Now 166. Okay. And 21 S&P points. Make that 22 and 93 NASDAQ points. I'm leaning into my big ass iPad to read those numbers. $140.04 on GameStop right now. Low of the day, 137.24. 303 gain on Twitter. Everything else is red today. Everything we're following pretty well, except for that Twitter. And there was one other stock that was green today. That was, it was Hewlett Packard, up 84 to 38.32. There you go. The one that Warren Buffett just picked up a little while ago. $4 billion worth of that one they bought into. Wow. Serious money, kids. Serious money. There you have it. We have 9 minutes left in the day. There you go, guys. Well, we'll see tomorrow how the rest of the world reacts to the weekend developments. See how things happen. Things progress overnight. Ukraine and everything else, and then we'll just wait for more economic indicators, and we'll kind of go from there. That's what we do. It's what we're about. We're out and about trying to make some dough, re mi money, and some days are more exciting than others. Easter Mondays are generally not very exciting. Folks have taken the extra long weekend. Can you blame them? No, you cannot blame them. You got to take the extra Monday off and get your holiday in. Come back to work on the Tuesday. Yeah. I would imagine Vegas was busy this weekend. I'm sure it had a very busy 4-day stretch this last 4 days. Anyway, there you are. Oh my goodness. Let's see. So the lower price stock should be exercised regardless of expiration. And then the next price is so on, 44, 45. Not really, lame duck. You never know. You never know which option writer or which option owner is going to exercise their market. You don't know. There's sometimes a lot of reasons for something like that. Sometimes there isn't. But if you are, oh my gosh, if you are short an option and it's in the money on the last day, you should be buying back your call. You should be buying it back to not get exercised. You should really be buying it back. If you're not buying your call back and you're in the money, you're getting exercised. And if you get nailed assignment fees, that's your fault because you didn't have to get nailed assignment fees. All you had to do is buy back your call and write another call. You could have literally bought back the call you wrote and then written the same call for the next Friday under the same exercise expiry price or exercise price, and delayed everything by a week, giving the stock more time to come down. You could have done that. Just saying. I'm just saying. Midnight Adventure, thank you for being thumbs up number 131. Appreciate it. Free Thinker. In 2 weeks, 85% of my GameStop shares will be eligible for long-term capital gains taxes. Well, how about that, Free Thinker? What about that? Okay, the Dow is off 123. We're coming back up a little bit now with 6 minutes to go in the session. So a little recovery on the Dow, ever so little. Twitter is still up here, 333, 48.41. And then Sixter is down 9, Rocket Lab down 45, SoFi down 16 cents, GameStop down 10.40 to 140.35, AMC down 65 cents to 17.37, Matterport off 34 cents, ME off 27, Spire down 12, Haycroft Mining down 19.8 cents to 181.2, ATIP down 8, Smart Rent down 12.5, Pfizer down 138 to 51.74, and Hewlett Packard 84-cent gain, 38.32 is that market. Robinhood under 11 again, 10.93. Vanik 241 up almost $3, 2.91 a share. Home Depot down 5.14, IBM down 62, Microsoft down 73 cents. Apple down 93 cents. Goldman up 7.79 a share. Cisco down 22. Facebook down 40 cents. Amazon up 6.42. Tesla up 14.97. Google up 171. Bed Bath Beyond down 43 cents. That's where we're at right now. Volume on GameStop today, 2.34 million. 2.34 million. Not really that incredibly high. Anyway, there you go. Yeah, anyway, there you go. SoFi, 710 down 16 cents. Yeesh. We got 4 minutes to go. We're down to 4 minutes, and this day is done. The Dow now only down 91 points. It has come back to be down only 91 at the moment. A little recovery there on the Dow. We've got S&P down 9 and NASDAQ down 52. So 3 indexes are improving a little bit. It's what I expected, kind of improving to zero. That's kind of where they're headed here. They're just improving to be unchanged. That seems to be the deal right now. 140.47 on GameStop, down 10.30 a share today. Okay, there it is. Yeah, not a lot to get excited about. Not much at all. There we go. Take a look here. What else is happening out there? Boy, oh boy. Just looking at headlines on some of these other publications. Not much to talk about. Alex Jones, InfoWars files for bankruptcy. The World Bank slashes its forecast for global economic growth. Yeah. Not a lot. It's a quiet one. It's just quiet everywhere. It really is. It's just people have sort of taken this day off to be fair. Fair enough. We got it. We're now down to 3 minutes, and the Dow now is down 72 points, with the S&P off 6.5, NASDAQ down 38. There you go. There it is. It's a slow one. Not much to talk about as we whimper into the last 2 minutes of the trading day today. I think that our friend Larry Titus is, I think, now within 2 weeks of getting out of that jury duty or that grand jury duty. So it'll be nice to welcome him back. He can handle the bell ringing details again. Poor Larry getting racked up for 6 weeks on that. That's just insanity. My gosh. Oh my. 66-point drop on the Dow. A 351 gain on Twitter. 48.59. 48.59 on Twitter. 48.62 up 3.53. And headline from Barron's: Musk says Twitter's board owns almost no stock. There you go. And headline from 4 hours ago: Twitter could see a $60 to $65 private equity share takeover deal. Equity deal, analyst says. Twitter may be worth $60-65 a share in a private equity takeover of the firm, according to Wells Fargo analysts. There you go. Interesting. Well, see if anything comes up. I don't know. I do not know. 52-point down dip now on the Dow as we are continuing to claw back the losses that had been incurred earlier. GameStop at 141.35, down 9.42. We have a minute to go, and I think we're done with the day. I think we got the bells going, and I think we're clear. The day is over. The Dow loses 38 points at this point. 38 points on the Dow, between that and 49 anyway. We're jumping around. Down 3 on S&P and 26-point loss on NASDAQ. So it's almost a nothing burger here as the market clawed its way a ways back. 48.51 on Twitter now is the final quote. It would appear a 343 gain on the day for Twitter. And then GameStop looks like it closed out at 141.80, gaining, closed at 141.11, pardon me, losing 9.66 a share. And now it is 141.80 in the aftermarket, up a little bit. That's what's going on. That's how quiet it is. Munamo is giving me a thumbs up, 137. Thank you, man. I do appreciate that. They all came in handy. Guys, I'm going to pack it in here. Thank you for hanging in there with me on a pretty quiet day today. I appreciate you diehards being with me. Let's have some fun tomorrow with a little more of an active market. I'm sure it'll be a lot more active. We'll follow all the world's activities at the same time, see what's going on with our stocks. In the meantime, guys, you stay healthy out there and be on your best behavior, and join me tomorrow morning. If you got nothing better to do tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern, join me on Traveling with Bruce. I'll be over there. Traveling spelled with 2 L's, by the way. Traveling with Bruce. We'll catch you there. But thank you, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, Kent. You have a good one. Bama Babe, take care. Aurora, DQ, John, Vernon, all of you guys. All the best to you, your family, your friends. Happy Easter. And we'll catch you tomorrow for more fun, okay? We'll see you later. Bye for now.